Have you tried to buy the Quest Pro? What opinion do you have on it?
Ineffective.
Okay. Put me again.
Okay, fair enough.
Imagine a Vive headset with overall index quality, better lenses, and an even better, more lightweight wireless adapter. That'd be perfect.
Okay, I need to dance. I'm sorry.
It would be nice to have a foot, but
Doing this dance after
It would be nice to take space up, but I can't. Funny. Great. I'm so back.
the shield is not good enough.
I really like the Quest Pro because the tracking is really good. Now, especially with Steam
Rafi,
Link,
so
you don't need to
you
do
use your
shit.
ears, so
You
like
don't
they
need
propel
to
air into your
recalibrate anything.
face,
It's
so you
fine.
get
You
more
can
like,
stay.
How bad is
you know,
how badly sucked is it?
I mean, what do you mean by that? You need to log in with your
only
Meta
one at a
account.
time.
Yes. That's it.
Cringe.
Yeah, that's about it. There is ways to not to do it, but they are fucking pain in the ass. But
Yeah,
you really want for
something-
Steam Link,
I
so.
was thinking more of,
Oh,
having
really?
it, like,
Hello,
going
hello,
like,
hello, hello, hello,
like
hello.
this.
Oh,
Hi.
I'm gonna have to go to the gym to do that.
What does it say?
Doesn't work
You're
as
silly
much.
goose sometimes.
Yeah.
Can't you see the text box?
Yeah. Mark,
No,
It's
best
what you
we can do is probably a funnel.
is your husband?
Wow.
Is he your husband? Well, will soon be your husband, I guess.
Stab.
Stab?
Walrus.
No!
Ah, what that you mean? Okay.
He's already married to some Asian woman, I believe. I've seen some photos.
Okay. No. Well, that's him. That's her.
Ah.
I thought you meant. I think
That's
you
a
mean
trap. You're getting
your boyfriend
slapped.
or whatever was watching us. Ha!
No. He was talking
That
the
was Mark
Zuckerberg, you know. Of course, you have like a Quest Pro.
Of course. I mean, you can avoid that.
How fat are you? What's your BMI?
Yeah. She means he has thick legs. Exactly.
500 kilograms? I do not believe that.
Probably take a 0. No, you probably weigh more than that.
But 172 centimeters, that's kinda cute.
That's actually pretty tall for Japanese girls. No, you are. I mean,
172 centimeters is not tall though.
in,
Maybe it is in Asia.
yes, in Asia it's pretty tall, especially for a girl, you know. My
Ah,
girlfriend
yeah.
is literally the same, 172. Exactly.
Oof.
Exactly.
For both men and women?
Probably. I don't know.
What the?
Probably a woman. The
A
fuck?
country of femboys?
Close enough.
170?
We can work with this.
Finally.
Hello, Matthias.
Hello, brother.
Brother.
Same name.
You're gonna have to work out that court date and get your name changed soon.
I'll sue your
Sorry?
ass.
Yep.
He doesn't have the ragdoll system installed, does he? Bummer.
What do I not have installed?
The ragdoll system.
Whoop.
Me neither. You neither. No one does.
Yeah, just some.
I feel like
I'm
should do that to fix all the materials.
187 centimeters.
I'm 177.
You're fucking tall.
Oh, he tiny. No, we're not that tiny, I guess.
The king of the mallets.
The king of ballets. We're 180.
Didn't make it, bro. 6 foot.
Okay, if not in VR, I could do that, but we are. I'm not trying well in VR.
Used to be 5'9"
you?
something, but I grew another centimeter. Finally, I'm officially 6
growing a
foot.
bit. Somehow.
Oh,
I think it's because
The fuck you mean? You're already so fucking big, Uzugu.
I had an issue with my thyroid, and I'm growing a bit in every way. Just a tiny bit. I know you're.
What happens if you just stop eating? Well, in a super calorie deficit.
What?
Okay, but how much do you weigh? There's no way you weigh like
your muscle
500
gone.
kilograms.
Oh well, I will. No, I don't want to lose my
American
muscle. I
size.
don't know. It's just testosterone, bro.
Yeah, no, I don't believe you.
Testosterone. Just
This
growing
guy's trying to tell me
It's
he
not
weighs
all-
like 500
too much. It's
kilograms.
just the actual value I should have.
Kilogram?
of testosterone in my body. It seems. Normally, this is my normal testosterone. I never had my normal testosterone until now. It seems.
Oh, you're fixed.
51 kilogram, that's
51 kg.
No way, you are.
That's
51.
pretty small though.
It's like
That's not
So
fat.
much sport you made.
that's below American.
I mean,
It's
yes,
like half my weight.
it weighs like way less than my weight.
What are the words doing down there?
What do you do with it?
I'm 120 kilograms. I'm huge.
This is a big boy.
Our both different.
120?
Yes.
It's all
Yeah,
muscle
He's
mass.
just very strong.
Not a slick
I've
fat.
seen him in real life.
It is a lot of muscle. Yes, I am.
Our
Huge.
Large, yes, but I wouldn't say obese, no.
Yeah, of course. No
I mean, you've
one-
seen him like go PyPy over here. If he was actually obese, he wouldn't be able to pull that off.
Really.
But if there are no fat rolls, then you can't be obese.
Of course.
Revi, yeah, you can't be too fat for that one.
Come on. You need to do more cosplay.
Oh.
I love your cosplays. Come on. You can cosplay in real life, not like us. Well, I have a few cosplays in real life, but I cannot be Miku there. It's so sad. But I can.
You got the hoodie.
Have the actual pistols? Holy shit! Exactly.
Hey, Uzugu,
Huh?
I imagine
Put your
importing
hand on your
illegal
belly.
weapons can get quite costly, yes.
Well, but it's here.
okay.
I guess you can't really see that well with that avatar, I guess.
I guess so.
Oh yeah, there's a bit of air.
I mean, makes sense. I'm not a 16-year-old girl like this body.
It is what it is.
You're not twin turbo.
Take
What
photos.
the?
I'm sorry. I have the hoodie though. I have the hoodie. The real fucking hoodie. Well, not even the real, the
Damn.
actual one that my avatar has with the Usugu on it. It was a gift. A really fucking nice gift. You should post more of your cosplays. I really like to do cosplay in real life, but I am limited to very big characters, usually. Hell yeah. What the fuck are they doing there? It's so funny to just look some from time to time and say, wow, just hell yeah.